Do you look for every reason to find fault in other people? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is being able to accept when you're doing wrong, being able to accept when you're mistreating other people just to boost your own ego, because there are some people that are this. There's some people that constantly pick at other people, that constantly find fault within other people, that constantly point fingers to other people, and there can never be anything wrong with them. If you're that type of person, then maybe it's time to look within and assess your ego. Are you constantly putting other people down so you can feel better? Are you the type of person that surrounds themselves? Some people surround themselves with people that they feel like don't look better than them, with people that have less things than they do, with people that are not as successful as they are, with people that are not in the best position mentally as them, so that they can feel better about themselves. That doesn't make you any different than the person that you're surrounding yourself with. If you find that you have to go out of your own way to prove how worthy you are, to prove how good of a person you are, then you don't realize the bigger issue here. You shouldn't have to put yourself in a situation where you're undermining others so you can feel good about yourself. You have to make sure that you're around a person, you're living your life wholeheartedly, you're living your life and caring about other people, you're living your life where you're giving back to other people instead of putting them down. Are you trying to boost your ego to downplay what you're currently going through? If you're always finding fault within other people, then there's probably a bigger issue within yourself. Putting other people down doesn't sort out your own insecurities. It doesn't solve your own insecurities. It doesn't make your insecurities go away. Be sure to be able to deal with your insecurities. Stop pointing fingers at other people and start pointing those fingers within yourself. What can you change about you to become a better person? What can you do for yourself to become a better person? How are you helping other people so that you can be a bigger person? And by helping other people, I mean helping people genuinely, not so that you can get a reward so people can see how great you are. Being able to help people behind the scenes without anyone knowing about it. Stop blaming people and start taking responsibility for your actions. Start taking responsibility for the things that you're not doing right, and become a better you. Become a better you physically, mentally and emotionally. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next one.